If you're facing display issue with your Samsung Galaxy S series devices like unresponsive problem, black screen, or screen frozen issue, then this video is for you. Actually, if you're facing that your display is not working and goes all black out, then that's when your display is totally damaged. There's a high chance that your display could totally damage, so you have to change the display, and you just need to go to a expert who can change your display and suggest you a best display that goes with your Samsung Galaxy devices. Right now I'm using Samsung A50, so make sure that your display is not fully damaged. If so, then you can do a simple steps to for a quick reboot or restart your device if you're facing black screen or this stuck problem, this frozen problem on your device. So you can just hold on the volume down button and the power button together until the screen goes black. So let me do that. If I hold on it, don't worry, this power off menu will come up, but hold on it until the black screen comes out. Here you'll feel a little vibration on your hand, so you'll find the branding from here. Right now I'm using Galaxy A50, so you just need to wait until the reboot. From here we just need to wait, and here you can see our device is actually restarting. When you find this only Samsung logo, that means your device is restarting, and it could solve this frozen or unresponsive black screen issue on your Samsung Galaxy A series devices display. And then you can just check that if your phone is overheated or not. If your phone is overheated, so that can be a cause for these display issues. So you just need to cool down your phone by any type of source. You just need to keep the cold air on the back surface of your device, or you can put your device on freeze. Yes, that sounds funny, but you can just put it on your freeze to cool down your device for some minutes, and you can just take it out, and you can follow the same step. You can just hold on the power down button and this volume down button and the power button together until you get the branding. Yes, and you can do another thing is you can just plug your charger port in, just like me. Let me put in my charger here. Now just like this, you just need to put your charger just like here, and when it's on charging, if you get the charging information, then you can just do the same step again. You just need to hold on this volume down button and power button together to get a quick reboot on your device. So that's how you can just simply solve the display problem. It is actually the primary steps. You can just go to an expert who can help you to solve this type of problem or help you to change your display of your device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.